Because you can have these tools, but if you don't know how to ask the question, then you don't know if there is a correlation. Okay, it's prompt engineering, because here is the thing that's going to be extremely important. What AI is extremely good at is correlation with big data. So let me, and that's where I have to tell people, particularly, um, my colleagues in science, is that don't confuse correlation with causality. Okay, and the questions that are important have to be make sure that you prompt it correctly, because you can have these tools, but if you don't know how to ask the question, then you don't know if there is a correlation. Okay, you've got to be able to have students who are coming out who have done these AI use cases, because the first thing when I put these tools in front of you is saying, okay, it's just waiting for you to pose a question. And for example, one of the cases that people are looking at in Amazon, Amazon is just a shell of a lot of little small experiments, is, okay, if I give you $50,000, how can you make me $1 million in a month? Okay, and that's where you use those AI tools. Just because you have the tools, you still have to know how to use them. Look, and PowerPoint and all those things came around, great tools for making slides or Excel for tables, but you got to know how to put the data in there and make sense of it and show it to say, okay, from that, based on all these inputs, this is how I would do my strategy. Because again, AI can't really tell you from a strategic point of view what to do, but it can say, oh, here are certain options.